Balling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Daddy showed us the roads, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, to giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the con.
We're on our way back from 75 Chrome Shop. You can see in the back we have some goodies. Pretty sure you know what it is, but yeah. And then on top of that, we move that shit, George. We got we have a whole lot of shit that we brought back from 75 Chrome Shop. We're on our way back to the yard. I'll show you guys everything that we have once we get there. Here we are. We actually ended up buying 2 bumpers. We ended up buying one for the orange Peterbilt, as I said, because it needed one, obviously. And we ended up buying one for the, where is it at? For the gray Peterbilt. There you go, right there. Because he currently has that one, but he wanted a blind mount one like that one. So yeah, we got both of them right here. And we're gonna be switching out one of them right now, and yeah, we're gonna go from there and see what happens. Alright guys, we're gonna be putting the bumper on this bad mumbo jumbo right here. As you can tell, let me flip this camera for you. Alright, we're gonna be putting the bumper on this one, but as I said, since they backed up into it, it kind of bent these. I don't know if you can see it, but oh shit. We bent those 2 brackets. They're kind of going inward, so we're gonna have to bend them out, because the bumper we bought, this is the one we wanted. That's the only one we had in stock, and we needed the bumper that we could run the truck. So you're gonna be able to see the bolts, and if you just put it on, once you tighten it, it's gonna pull the bumper in, and we don't want it to be wavy and whatnot. So we're going to straighten those out as much as we can. That way it doesn't mess with the bumper too much. So yeah.
You ready?
I guess.
Can you tell me what we're doing?
Yep, we're straightening shit out. Yep, let's get it, I guess.
Alright, let's go. Go ahead, pull it. Alright, good there. So done. Alright, good there. So you have to take out the bolt and put it from where the bolt's at. There you go.
Now we just got to remove the bolts, because it dips in right here where the bolts are at. So once we get this out, we bend it out here and it should be straight. A lot easier than we thought. Bitchin'. He's putting new caps on his wheels. But yeah, we're gonna be removing this old bumper and putting the new one on. So yeah. Yep. Alright guys, didn't record when we were taking off because we were a little busy. More pain in the ass than we thought. But either way, we got it off. Nice and ugly like the orange one now. Twin, yeah, right, they're twinning right now, shit. But yeah, the bumpers, they're on the ground. We have a spare bumper now, so yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna open up the new one that's over there and get it mounted up. Let's get it. Open it up, check it out. This is like a giant mirror shit.
Hi guys.
That's a bumper. Surprise. But yeah, let's get it out and mount it up.
Yeah,
Está dando vuelta, ¿no? Bam.
Yo me acuerdo que ese se lo pusimos porque no lo dejaba. Pero ya al rato
There you
ya
go.
lo con este y ya se-
There you go. Check it out, guys. We just have it set up there for now. We're gonna bolted it down, but
Cuando se levantan así, pues se tira más para abajo. Eso.
there it is. We're gonna be putting lights on the corner. He already knows which one he wants, but here's go get him. But yeah, let us know what y'all think. Which one looks better, with lights or without lights? Plain or not plain? Personally, I like plain, but everybody's different. All right, guys, there you go. Truck's all done. Everything's bolted down. Let us know what y'all think. All right, guys, just put on the new caps. We just bought them. Looks good. Looks real good. Damn. We remounted the bumper on in a little bit. Just wanted to show you these caps. I'll be taking off the center cap because ain't nobody want that shit. I know this ain't the proper way to do it, but my knob's already broken and I don't give a damn. We're gonna have to paint them bad boys orange. I'll go ahead and paint them in a minute. No more cap. Go ahead and tape it up and paint them, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a minute. Bam, yo! On my way, brother. Check it out. I'm gonna throw another coat on it, but as you can tell, it's not fully covered. But either way, it looks good. Let me see what I've done. I just cleaned it. I'm gonna go ahead and mask it up right now and get it painted. There you go, guys.
Okay. I see what you're doing there.
Looks good. Much better.
Yeah, man.
You guys know what y'all think?
Better.
With the cap, without a cap. Let us know what's up. There it goes. Much better. All right, the new bumper. Couldn't find a blind mount. They were sold out everywhere we look, so we got this one for now. Still looks good though. Alright guys, just like that, it's on. We'll put it on pretty fast, so I didn't even get a chance to pull the camera out because it was already on. There it is. That is fuck. Alright, there you go. All the bolts are bolted down. It's tightened and now it's ready to go. Pitch in. And now, hey, air out, air out. Alright guys, and just like that, the bumper installations on both the trucks are done. We got the bumper installed, the license plate put on, got the lug nut covers on, painted the hubs to match. That way it's looking good now. Now the truck's ready to go. There it is. And we also have this one all ready. Same thing, got the bumper installed, license plate on, put the new lug nut covers on. We have to take off the cap on this one and paint the center hubs red to match, but we'll do that another day. But for now, that's that. Let us know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.